everyone, I am Alexa Michu. Welcome to my channel. So, I'm gonna yawn. You creators out there, do you just have the feeling, the urge to keep yawning before you hit the play button or the record button? I don't know why, I always want to yawn, but anyways, hi, welcome to my channel. So, today, we will be doing a makeup tutorial on none other than this lovely palette by Melt Cosmetics.
Whoa, oh my gosh,
Smoke
it's so
Sessions.
cool.
What other better way to do this than on 420? And this is when I hope to have this posted, because that would be really cool. But anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing. Just in case you don't know what it looks like, it's a let's see, it just looks, yeah. It's just, they're very generous with pressing a lot of shadow in here, so that's why it might look a little messy, and I used it a couple times. But other than that, it's fine. It's lovely. It's pretty. Look at this color story. It's great. So, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, but we're gonna do something. So, yeah, stay tuned if you're interested. If not, stay tuned anyways. Maybe I'll entertain you somehow. Alrighty, so you may be wondering, Alexis, you're doing an eyeshadow tutorial. Why are you wearing eyeshadow if you could see it? Well, I put some on earlier and I did not expect to do this video today, so it's on me a little bit. If you're nosy, want to know what it is, I use this lovely shade. It's pretty much just this shade all over my lid. It's very light and it works as a transition shade, so it's okay. We're gonna work over it. It's just this, and I put just a little bit of this on the edges of my eyes. If you can tell, you can't really tell, but yeah, that's what's on my lids. All right, so to start things off, we're gonna just, you know, continue putting that what's it called, soft and sweet shade in my crease. Just deepen it a little bit, you know. Might as well. Hey, look, a notification. Okay, just gonna dab it. Lovely formula, by the way. Dominque Cosmetics. Did I tell you what this palette was? I think I did, but in case I didn't, berries and cream. This is such an awkward way to hold it. It's really nice. Oops. Okay, I really hope you can see what I'm doing. Really hope you can see what I'm doing. Fudge is really good. It's great. Have you had peanut butter fudge before? Something to write home about. Yeah. By the way, this brush, it's very nice. It's only like $2. It's by Elf. It's called Fluffy. It's fine. Just keep going. It's okay. Fluffy Eye Blender Brush. Do you want a close up? That's what it looks like. Do you want me to do the guru thing with the hand? Yeah. Oh, what is on my thumb? What the? I stuck my hand in warm pie. Whoops. Yeah, that's a pretty shade. It's not what we're doing though. Now. Alright, so this is where things get, I don't want to say intimidating, but I don't want to say challenging. It's gonna take some effort. Okay, so I'm thinking, I don't know what I want to do. Why is there a bug on my window? Anyway, my brush is wet. Oh gosh, I'm scared. I think I'm gonna start Black Widow and kind of go in the middle. Just gotta dab that. Oh, you don't see what I'm doing. You see that? I'm dabbing it. Okay.
I think I'm just gonna kind of, you know, put it all over the lid. And then I'll deepen it and change the colors.
Okay, so we're gonna get up close and personal. I'm gonna take that Granddaddy shade. It's just slightly lighter than, oh popsicles. Slightly lighter than Black Widow. Did I even tell you that was Black Widow? Well, it was. Presently, it didn't change. This is Black Widow, this color. We're about to go into Granddaddy. Yeah. gonna do? I'm thinking Blue Dream. I'm thinking about it. I'm also thinking Sweet Tooth. Blue Dream, Sweet Tooth. They're so pretty, right? Both. Alright, Blue Dream, that lightest blue shade. And then we're gonna go like right there. See that? Right there. We're gonna do that. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. This seems scary. Oh, what if I did like a reverse halo eye? Okay, let's see what happens. You know what? I think I can do it. I believe in myself. Bob Ross Believe plays in the background. I don't know if that's like a legit song. I mean, I don't know. I've heard it somewhere. If I could find it, or if I have like a clip of something related to what I'm talking about so you don't think I'm crazy, I'll insert it. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, so it's real. I'm gonna go back in with Black Widow. They're doing that shiny shade. And you know, I'm gonna dab into it. And go right in that part of my eye. Be careful with this palette though. It's very pretty, but fallout is crazy. I should have like put some powder underneath my eyes so I can just wipe it off, but this has been on my face since 4:20 this morning. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I have jokes. Anyway, it was not planned. Why? Sweet Tooth. I'm gonna dab this in this brush. I really do like this brush. I think it's $10. It's probably the most expensive brush I own. I don't know if that's sad or if that's good, but it's by Sonia Kashik. I think that's how you say it. I got it at Target. I don't even know how this happened. Before I was so rudely interrupted, we're gonna go in the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna do Space Queen, that matte green. And go down like right there. Yep. So we're gonna do some of. Is that amazing how much bigger your eyes get just by doing your lower lash line? Don't neglect the lower lash line. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this super little tiny brush. Baby H Cosmetics. Number 10. I don't know if they're all the same, but it's number 10. Go in with Space Queen, and we're gonna start drawing this wing. This one looks a little funky, but thankfully it's eyeshadow, so it's easy to work with as opposed to eyeliner. My wings. I kind of want to work with a matte shade because there's a lot of glitter going on, so I'm gonna go back into the berries and green palette and go into Bittersweet and do that. Right there, I'm gonna do that. I don't know if it has a name or anything. No, it looks like this. It's cool. I like it. And we're gonna go back into the berries and green palette. Go back in with soft and sweet. Gonna make this more soft and sweet. Take this brush by BH Cosmetics, numero 25. And yeah, whatever. I'm gonna go in with sweet green, pinkish palish pink color, very easy cream. And you know, do that. I like the brow bone a little bit. Shape it up. I like this. I do. It's not all smoke sessions. Like I said, I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I do like this look. So yeah, there it is. Let's see if it looks any different with the curtains open. I have mixed feelings about this window being open. Sunlight. No sunlight. Sunlight. No sunlight. I don't know which one is better. Let us know in the comments below. Alright, so put on a little lip gloss, a little concealer, a little contour. It's bronzer, but just add a little bit of color. And of course this green highlight from Kat Von D's Alchemist palette. So it's cute. Goes to the green look. This is up close and personal. If that's what you want, here it is. So yeah, we did that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video impromptu makeup tutorial with the Smoke Sessions palette. Did I say that weird? Smoke Sessions palette. If you want to take a gander one more time, this was her. She's great. Not sponsored, by the way. I believe she is coming back on 4/20. So the day I upload this video, that's when she'll be back. So maybe I inspired you to buy it. I don't know. That'd be cool. Being an influencer. But yeah, this is one last look. It's so nice. But yeah, I hope you like this. If you have any more ideas that you'd like me to do, whether it concerns makeup or whatever, anything else, I like to do different things. I don't want to just do one thing all the time. I'm a creative soul. I like to create, make things, dive into different stuff, try different things. So thank you for stopping by. Don't be shy, subscribe to my channel if you found this good, interesting, helpful, anything positive. Yeah, you should totally subscribe. But anyway, thank you for stopping by. Hope you have a lovely namaste kind of day, and I'll see you on the flip side. Alright, bye. Oh wait, no, I do the peace sign.